KCRA 3 News begins now.
We have incoming information tonight. Officials say a grandfather and his 14-year-old granddaughter died from carbon monoxide poisoning this weekend at the Clements Stampede Rodeo grounds.
KCRA 3's Rich Ibarra live in Clements with how investigators say it happened and the warning for the rest of us tonight.
Well, certainly this was a terrible tragedy. A grandfather and his granddaughter. And it happened here at the Clements Rodeo Stampede grounds. They attended a horse show here on Saturday. And it was 56-year-old Richard Kovacs and 14-year-old Jordan Kovacs of Copperopolis had gone to sleep in a converted horse trailer. The 30-foot trailer had sleeping quarters in front and in the back. Kovacs put a charcoal grill inside, but it was still burning. Most campers had left the next day, but Kovacs' trailer was still on site, and that's when the bodies were found.
This tragedy happened in a camper, but serves as a reminder not to use grills indoors, in garages, or any other confined spaces. We urge everyone to take this time to make sure they install CO, carbon monoxide detectors, in their homes to protect their families.
Now, as of July 1st, all existing homes in California must have a carbon monoxide detector. And every year, 450 people die of carbon monoxide poisoning in the U.S. Reporting live in Clements, Rich Ibarra, KCRA 3 reports.